First, we will soak long grain sela rice in water for 3 hours. After, you need dry fruits like cashews, walnut, almond, and raisins, and some julienne cut carrots as well if you have them. Now put some ghee, then put your dry fruits so it can fry. When the dry fruit starts to look like this, take them out and place them in a separate plate. Now put your raisins in. After 2 or 3 minutes, they should look like this, and now you have to take them out. Now put your julienne cut carrots in it. Add 1 spoon white sugar. Add in some water. Cover this for 5 minutes on low heat. After it should look like this, and now it's prepared. Now for pulao, put 100 grams of oil or ghee.
As you like.
Once it gets hot, put 1 medium-sized onion, add 2 crushed cardamom, add 1 bay leaf, add 1 spoon of zira, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 10 to 15 green chilies,
1 kg.
now add your chicken, now cover it for 10 minutes at high heat.
Cover it.
Now add 1 glass of water. Now put your rice in. Place your rice accordingly. Add more water so that it can look like this. Now cover this for 10 to 15 minutes at low heat. Now open and put your flame on low. And now add the dried fruits.
Topping.
Ready.
Now add another cup of water. Now cover it for 20 minutes at low heat.
20 minutes.
After 20 minutes, your Afghani chicken pulao should be ready. If you enjoyed the recipe, please feel free to like and subscribe our channel and comment if you want anything changed. Till then, Allah Hafiz.